Meet the HP Indigo WS6600 digital press, the versatile solution for producing labels or packaging jobs on any substrate, with easy and quick changeovers between applications. The enhanced productivity mode increases color speed to a record 130 linear feet per minute for most color jobs. That's the industry's highest crossover point compared to analog for the vast majority of pressure-sensitive label jobs. HP's one-shot color technology performs accurate, repeatable printing. All color separations are laid down simultaneously in a single pass, creating perfect color-to-color registration. The result? You can print on the widest range of media in digital production, including synthetic and paper substrates in an impressive variety of sizes. And the advanced level of automation embedded in this press lowers the need for operator intervention and increases uptime. The HP Indigo WS6600 digital press, the most cost-effective, high-quality printing solution for high-volume labels and packaging production.